We did not know as yet what became of the matter of the sugar which was condemned and was stolen from our own warehouses. Mr. Speaker, this is a matter that should concern this House, if not anything else. Mr. Speaker, the third issue is now the latest scandal, the edible oil scandal, which is running into billions and billions of Kenyan shillings. Mr. Speaker, and there's only one thread running across these scandals: the involvement of people in high places, some in this House, but most of them in the cabinet. Mr. Speaker, this is an issue that this House must deal with head-on if we were to save this country from sliding into an abyss. Mr. Speaker, I want to challenge our committees, especially those committees that do oversight, especially those committees that deal with accounting matters. Please take up these matters with the seriousness it deserves. Because otherwise, if we don't do something urgently and drastically, this term of Parliament may go down in history as a term that witnessed the highest number of mega scandals in this country. Mr. Speaker. And therefore, with those very few remarks, Mr. Speaker, I rest my case. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I rise to support this appropriations bill. Honorable Speaker, I will restrain myself from speaking to the gallery and answering to the many things that the leader of minority has spoken to, because it is within his right as a leader of minority to play to the gallery and raise issues that may not necessarily be in this appropriations bill. But Honorable Speaker, allow me, because one of the things I've had